The Scottish Clan Crichton has a rich and fascinating history, dating back to the early 12th century. The clan's members have played important roles in Scottish society over the centuries, holding positions of power and prestige, as well as experiencing tragedy and scandal. In this blog post, we will explore the history of the Clan Crichton, from its early beginnings to the present day. The Crichton family's origins can be traced back to the lands of Kreitton, which formed one of the earliest baronies around Edinburgh. The family is mentioned in charters from the early 12th century, and Thurstan de Crechtune was a witness to the foundation of the Abbey of Holyrood House by David I in 1128. Thomas de Crechtune, believed to be Thurstan's son, was one of the Scottish nobility, who swore fealty to Edward I of England, and is listed in the Ragman roll of 1296. Thomas had 3 sons, each of whom extended the family's holdings. One of the most notable members of the Crichton family was Sir William Kreitton, who served as Chancellor of Scotland during the minority of James II. He is infamous for organising the Black Dinner at Edinburgh Castle, in which 2 members of the Douglas clan were executed after a royal banquet. The Douglases retaliated by laying siege to the castle, and attempting to assassinate Kreitton. He was eventually sent to arrange the marriage of the king and was raised to the peerage as Lord Kreitton. Another notable member of the family was James Kreitton, known as the Admirable Kreitton, for his incredible intellectual and physical abilities. He was reputed to have mastered all the knowledge of his time and could speak and write at least 10 languages. He was also an accomplished equestrian and swordsman. Despite his talents, he met a tragic end when he was killed by his own pupil in Mantua. The family's fortunes have been mixed over the centuries, with members experiencing both great success and scandal. The family's lands and titles were forfeited for treason during the rebellion against James III, and the castle of Kreitton passed through various hands. The family later gained the barony of Sanquhar and saw Robert Kreitton elevated to the peerage as Lord Kreitton of Sanquhar. However, the family's fortunes were mixed, with members facing scandal and disgrace over the years. Today, the chiefly line of the Clan Crichton descends from the Crichtons of Frendraft, with the present chief residing at the castle of Monsey near Crieff. The family has a rich and varied history, filled with triumphs, tragedies, and scandal. The Clan Crichton's story is a testament to the enduring legacy of Scotland's great families and their impact on the nation's history.